Hello viewers, what I'll try and do this evening with cat. This compressor got a strip to the tank split. It's there, no good. This compressor was dropped off to me just to check out, and that bike was dropped off just to make work. Got a few things to do. Cool. And that air conditioner is ready to do whatever I'm going to do with it. Now I have a dog. Also I want to give this thing a good run. Just still a bit baffled why this fan motor was disconnected when I found it. Nothing seemed to be wrong, it was just purely filthy, this unit. Could have been deliberately sabotaged, so they were forced to get a new one. Could have been a rental property. Oh, well, I'll just give the fan a run for an hour or so. And put it on cool for a bit now and again. Yes, cool. Just give it a good run. Put a bit of wood there just to stop the air from going back into the coil again. This unit's working very well. Lots of condensate coming out. Happy with that. The motor doesn't seem hot or anything. Nice sweaty suction line. These units are very good, same as this one. This one served me well for years. I was just fixing this thing up to pull the other one apart. That's no more. This has had a very hard life. Everything's loose. You can tell it's had a hard life if the reset button's broken off. Oh well. The head was even loose, so hopefully the gasket's not popped. I'll start it up tomorrow and see what it does. I'll just clean it all up for now. Still spins. Seems to have a bit of an air leak there, but I'll run it. It might seal itself when it gets pressure. That'll do. Things have a lot better chance of staying cool if they're clean, because dirt is an insulator. That has a much better chance of staying cool now. Zip ties are very useful. And it's not flapping around. The wires aren't touching the motor. This little thing runs. I already tested it. The pressure switch leaks when it's charging. I'll have to repair that. I'll get a new pressure switch. The one on the other tank's faulty, so I can't use that one. I've got the water valve open at the bottom. Well, I'm here at this condensing unit. Just better have a quick fiddle with it before I destroy it. I'll give it to Ed or something. Just re-probing all the connections and wires to see what's going on. Now it's not connected to anything. I'm going to do this one-handed. Right, piece of shit. Now, let's try it down here then. Go to ground, go to positive. Look, I've got a reading. That's a dead short. Go to ground, go to negative. Got a reading. Go to ground, go to reversing valve. Not quite a dead short. Go to ground, go to the other side of reversing valve. So there's something up in here. I'd say it's a shorter compressor that's just, giving me a false reading. But There's the problem. The compressor's a dead short circuit now. Mustn't have liked the ride in my boot. Piece of shit. Even across poles now, dead short. Totally shorted. Lovely. Alright, scrap time. I'll take the fan. I want the fan. Oh, I just went to take the fan out of this little Asian piece of shit here. The mount just fell through the bottom. I cleaned it out a bit so you can see how rusty it was. But, yeah. That's quality for you. Chinese shit. I'm out here fiddling with this little bike. That's what came out of the fuel tank. Yeah, the guy who gave it to me fixed up. Been trying to start it, saying, won't start. Any more will come out. There it goes. Don't know how it got that much water in there, but yeah. I have to clean all that out. Re-drain the bowl and the carby. I'll just see if I can get it going without pulling it all apart. He doesn't want to spend much on it. Oh, I've got the fuel system all primed and all the water out. Let's see if this silly little thing will start for me. Camera somewhere. Piece of shit. Oh. Fuck. Come on. Come on. Nah, wants to. Okay, now back to this silly little thing. I've got it running okay, but one problem. And you see I've got the clutch off, chain off. The chain was a bit rusty, but I've lubed that up. Alright. Clutch was okay, not burnt. But this bearing, it's absolutely stuck. So I'll have to find a new one of them and put it in before I can ride it. Oh well, back that down. Just giving this little Westinghouse a run today. You can see the front of it, bright. There we go. Go and install this in a room. Oh, this has been running for a little while now. It's going good for a little unit. It does with its running.